EVS, continuation of our chapter number 10, the story of food. So, we have already started this chapter in the last week, okay, and here we are going to continue with this chapter. We have completed the half part of this chapter. So, let us have a short review of it. In the first part of this chapter, we have already studied about food from plants. We all know that we need food to live, right? And the food we get from plants and animals. So, in the half part of this chapter, we have already studied about the foods we get from plants like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc. We get from plants and the different parts of plants we eat as a food items. Okay. Now next we are going to study about food from animals. Now in the second part we will see that what all the things we get from animals. So let us see. We get milk. The first thing we get from animal is milk, right? And which all the animals gives us milk? Cow. Cow gives us milk. We all know. Buffalo. Buffalo also gives us milk. And goat also gives us milk. We get milk from these animals like cow, buffalo, goat. And we should drink a glass of milk every day. Milk is said to be a complete food as it has all the nutrients required by our body. So, we should always drink a glass of milk every day because to maintain ourselves a balanced diet, we should get all the nutrients, right? So, to get all the nutrients, we should take a glass of milk a day. Next, milk and milk products. Now, we get milk from animals like cow, goat, buffalo, right? Now, we will also see that we get some milk products made up of milk like butter, cheese, paneer, ghee, curd and ice cream, right? You all enjoy eating ice cream especially during summer season. So, ice cream also we get from milk. Ice cream also is made up of milk. Egg and flesh. Now, egg and flesh also we get from animals. Which animals gives us egg? Do you all know that? Yes. We get egg from hen and also flesh from hen. We eat chicken. Yes. Chicken is a flesh of hen. Okay. This we get from hen. And duck. We get egg from hen and duck. Duck hen is not mostly used people. Somewhere people are using duck's hen. But hen's egg is mostly used. Okay. We also eat flesh of goat and fish. Some people also eat flesh of goat and fish and also of other animals. Journey of food. Now we will see how a journey of food starts. From where it starts and how does it reaches to us. Let us see. The food first grown by a farmer in the field, right? A farmer work hard. Lots of hard work a farmer do and grow the seeds, the cereals, fruits and vegetables in his field. Then these farmer sell these food items to a wholesaler in the wholesale market. Can you see a wholesale market? How a sack people taking by things in a big bulk. Okay, so then these things are transported to a wholesale market, to a wholesaler. From there, shopkeeper buy these food items from the wholesaler. Shopkeeper buy the food items from the wholesaler in the wholesale market and keep it in his shop. He arrange and keep it ready in his shop. Then we people buy from the shopkeeper We buy our food items from the shopkeeper, right? We go to the market, we buy the things from the shops. So, like this type, the journey of food starts and it reaches to us. Okay? Food preparation. Now, we buy the food items from the market, right? Now we need to prepare it at home. So, who prepare food for you? Mother. My mother prepare breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything for our family, right? Sometimes my father also help. And we should also help our mother in washing vegetables, some small things you can go and do and help her in the kitchen. Okay, mother not only prepare food, she needs to do the other household work also, right? She cooks food for her family, then she has to wash the dishes. Okay, then she has to wash clothes and keep ready. She has to clean the kitchen. So many things she has to do. So we should also go and help our mother. Okay. Then in the evening, when my father returns from his office, we all sit together at the dining table and have our dinner, right? Afternoon, maybe sometime mother will not be there, she has to go to office. Father will not be there, he has to go to office. We people have to go to school, so timing will not set. But in the evening we all come together in a house, right? So especially in evening we sit together and have our dinner, right? So you should also have the dinner together with our family. This also shares our love, joy, okay, with our family. Balanced diet. We must eat a balanced diet, right? Not only eating too much fruits, not only eating too much vegetables are good for health, not only eating only cereals and pulses will give you a proper protein. Okay? You should always complete a balanced diet. So, what all the things contains a balanced and a healthy diet? We must eat chapati, rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables. Okay. We must drink a glass of milk. This should also will not be forget. A glass of milk every day, as it gives a proper nutrients to us. The diet shall have all types of healthy food in the right amount. Is called a balanced diet. In a balanced diet contains fruits, grains, vegetables, protein. Okay. Milk is a complete food for a newborn baby. Now balanced diet is different for a different people. Now we people cannot drink only milk. But milk is a complete for a newborn baby. Have you seen a newborn baby only drinking milk? Growing children need a lot of bodybuilding foods. Like we people, like you all are growing now. Okay, your body is growing up, so you should need a proper bodybuilding foods like milk, pulses, egg, flesh. Okay, everything you need. A laborer, have you seen a laborer working? People working for making buildings and all, they're doing work in the farm, so they work very hard. Okay, and they need more energy to work, so they need a energy giving food than a person working in a office. A person going to a office, he has to sit and do the work. But a people working like a laborer, farmers, they need more energy to work. So they need energy giving food. So here, thank you children. Here we have completed with our chapter number 10. I hope you all have understood and do it well. Thank you children. Thank you so much.